So, it's Monday afternoon, February 1st, 2021. I'm on my way home from work. Just popping on my mind to video the last 3 blocks until I get into the train. To let people know what the day is like. So this is the same route that I took this morning from the train to work. And now I'm just, oh my God, it is cold and the ice. It's not really snowing right now. It's like tiny chunks of ice, and it hits you in the face, and you feel like somebody throwing hard little rocks into your face. That's what it feels like. It is not a good day to be out here. So a work buddy of mine who is hardcore actually drove to work today. So he gave me a ride until 4th Avenue from the job. And now I gotta walk the rest. New York and winter is not a pretty sight. Oh, shit. This direction here, it hits you like the wind and the ice punches you in the face. Oh my God, I can't keep my eyes open. It is brutal. Let me see if I can see myself. The ice, it's not even the cold, the ice that's hitting me in the eye. It's a pain in the ass. Oh, thank God, next block is gonna be an easy walk. Okay. There's no need for anybody to be out here driving today. Here comes the wind again. Oh my God. The wind. I hate that stupid wind. It hits me right in the eye. Oh. Winter sucks. There's nothing pretty about winter. Winter is garbage. Get out, man. Almost there, almost there. If you can get through this little part. Oh my God. Oh, shit. Oh, thank God. About to get in the train station. Winter is not a joke. Oh, thank God. Just in time.